Good morning, everyone. In chapter number 9, Coordination Chemistry, we have learned about crystal field splitting energy, that was in octahedral field. So today we'll learn about factors affecting crystal field splitting energy. So our topic is factors affecting crystal field splitting energy. So which are the factors on which this CFSE energy is depending? The very first factor for the splitting energy is nature of central metal atom. Nature of central metal atom depend करता है कि आपके पास central metal atom कौन सा है. Generally we are having the D block elements as central metal atom, but again in that which central metal atom is present? We are having in D block elements 3D series, 4D series and 5D series, right? 3D series is your scandium, titanium, vanadium till zinc. And 4D series is your yttrium, zirconium, niobium till cadmium. 5D series is lanthanum, hafnium, tungsten and till mercury. This is what your 3D series, 4D series and 5D series are, right? So depending on the type of central metal atom belonging to which series, the crystal field energy varies. If you are moving down to the group, or else you can see that when you are moving from 3D to 4D series, on moving from 3D to 4D, the crystal field splitting energy increases by 30%. It will increase by 30%. The energy required is 30% more. And if you are moving from 4D to 5D series, the energy increases with 50%. So crystal field energy is requiring maximum energy for 5D series if the central metal atom is belonging to 5D series. So what we can say that crystal field splitting energy increases on moving down a group. When you are talking about, if you are talking about cadmium and mercury, so the energy required for mercury is greater than cadmium. Clear? The next factor on which the CFSE is depending is oxidation state. So oxidation state we are calculating for central metal atom, right? So depending on oxidation state, the crystal field splitting energy varies. Whereas the crystal field splitting energy is directly proportional to the oxidation state of central metal atom. मतलब greater the oxidation state, greater the crystal field splitting energy is required. For an example, if you are having Fe+2 and Fe+3, then the complexes in which iron is having Fe+3 as its oxidation state, it will require more crystal field splitting energy, and that complex will require greater CFSE compared to Fe+2 complex. Clear? So the second factor was oxidation state on central metal atom. The third factor is nature of ligand. Nature of ligand. मतलब we have seen that we are having two types of ligand, that is strong field ligand and weak field ligand, right? We know that strong field ligand can pair up the electron. They are having that quality to pair up the electrons and make the space vacant for them, and weak field energy will give outer d orbital. So depending on the nature of ligand, the crystal field splitting energy varies, right? If you are having strong field ligand, then crystal field splitting energy required more compared to weak field ligand. So we can say that for strong field ligand, the energy is more, that is CFSE is more, and for weak field ligand, the CFSE energy is less. Clear? So this was the third factor on which this CFSE depends. Now another factor, that is nature of complex. अब ये क्या हो गया? What is nature of complex? It means that when we are having two types of complexes, that is octahedral or tetrahedral. We know that octahedral with surrounding 6 ligand atom, right? And the another is tetrahedral. Clear? Two types of complexes we are getting, that is octahedral or tetrahedral, or you can say square planar too. In octahedral field or in octahedral complexes, we are having 6 ligands. कितने ligands होते हैं in octahedral field? 6 ligands are surrounding the central metal atom. Whereas in tetrahedral, we are having 4 number of ligands which is surrounding the central metal atom, right? So more repulsion will give more splitting. More repulsion will give more splitting. So the repulsion is greater with a greater number of ligands. If the ligands are more, the repulsion will be higher, and if the ligands are less, then the repulsion will be less. So what we can say that compared to octahedral and tetrahedral, in octahedral field or in octahedral complex, the CFSE energy is greater. Why? Because we are having 6 ligand in octahedral field. Clear? Okay. So here we have completed our factors affecting CFSE, and in the next lecture we'll continue the application of crystal field theory, where it is employed, and the other things, how the complex is getting colored and all. So we'll learn those things in the next lecture. Till then, go through the factors affecting CFSE. It might be asking many of the times in board exams also. So go through it. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.